the most merciful, the most beneficent. Dear student friend follower, I'd like to teach you about Facebook problem. Sometime it happens you try to open your Facebook account or you want to open any site. For example, you want to open your Zoom or you want to open your YouTube or Facebook and something like that, websites. So what happens? There's a problem to open your Facebook. So it creates you feel tedious and a problem to open. So in this situation, what to do? I just want to guide you. So if you got a problem, especially to open Facebook or to open other site, there is a problem in your browser, and the problem is not very difficult. It's pretty easy. You can deal it easily. So let's do that. How we can resolve our problem? It's something like this problem occurs. So first of all, click on the three dot. So here is the option three dot. If you just see right side corner of your browser, you see there is a three dot. Click on three dot, and after clicking on three dot, you will click on more tool. So here is a more tool. Just click on it, and after that go to the clear browser. Okay, so once you click on the clear browser, there will be a lot of options. An option like that, if you want to save your browsing history, you can even check that for all times or for 24 hours. So what else you want to? Last hours if you want to clean. So even you can uncheck it if you want to keep it safe. So after just unchecking, what you do, you will be clearing your cookies, cookies and other site data and the caches, images and files, and after that you just click on the clear data. Once you click on the clear data, just go below. So just you click, and after browsing it, you will feel over here there is a option, advanced option. So just click on the advanced options, and it will further taking you to another options. So here what we have to do, just pull it down, and after that you have to click on the reset and clean up. So you can either click on reset and clean up, you can click on the restore setting to the original default. So let's click on this one. So reset setting, since we have already cleared our data, just we are going to reset it. So after doing this, what you have to do, you just simply close it, and after closing, you once again you will open, and whatever you want to open, Facebook, Zoom, or you got a problem in your YouTube, so everything will be resolved. Stay blessed and have a nice time. Just try it, and after that let me know whether you've got solved your problem. If you've solved your problem, so you just let me know in the comment. Stay blessed.